I This is for your information that from almost Goa, we have been observing at least about three new installations of charging stations which are yet to be commissioned. So this is an information to all of you that more charges are getting laid up, and probably in the next 15, 30, 45 days or so, such charges could be commissioned. So on this route from Goa to Mangaluru, you are likely to have more charges. But this is the news that we have for you from Goa towards Mangaluru in a distance span of about 100 kilometers. For more information in the next session. Bye.